Hi guys, so I'm at the airport and I'm flying back home with my mom and Kunal. Hi guys, good morning. So it's moving day today. I cannot believe we are saying goodbye to this house, and yeah, it's 9 a.m. right now, and we are shifting. Oh my god, this shifting process is disgusting. It's horrible. Also, I got it booked through no broker, and the team is so naive. They've not got bubble wrap and they just don't know how to do things, and it's a messier process. Oh my god, so finally after some 4 to 5 hours we have emptied this house. Literally the voice echoes. We've cleaned it properly. Me and my mom, we literally used a broom and everything to just clean the house, because we believe that we have to return the home, the rented apartment, the way that we had received it. So it's spick and span, empty, and feels so different. So guys, we left from our old home and now we are on our way. We took a pit stop to have lunch. So guys, we are finally in the new house. Feels so good. And the packers and movers guys are coming. We reached early. We're just waiting for them. And yeah, that's about it. So guys, it's 7:20. These guys just went and I feel dead. So tired. Finally showered and feeling a little better. The house is still halfway done, but we are going to take a break, head out, eat. It's almost 9 p.m. right now, and yeah, that's about it. We have my mom staying with us for the next 3-4 more days, and we'll do everything at our own pace. Hi guys, so it's day 2. I'm up and ready and I go to office today, and mom and Kunal would still be arranging the home. So guys, I'm back from work and I'm just waiting for the lift. Yeah, excited to see what progress mom and Kunal have done. ઓમાં બધું કરી નાખ્યું. Guys, mom and Kunal have literally arranged the entire house, and now we're all done and going out to chill. Also guys, they have literally got everything done, like got the stove installed, the arrow installed, the AC installed, the Wi-Fi installed, and it's all nice. So guys, that's it about the video. We're slowly settling in. It will take some time to feel more like home. But yeah, thanks for watching the moving vlog, and stay tuned for a home tour once we've properly settled in. Like this video if you enjoyed watching it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my another video. Till then, bye.